Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, Pivot Tables and Images. Pivot tables enable data to be summarized to produce more meaningful information. To insert a pivot table, first, highlight a cell range to be manipulated. The Pivot Table tool is found under the Insert tab on the Tables toolbar. The dialog box can also be used to select the cell range to be manipulated by the pivot table. The bottom option buttons can be used to specify the location for the new pivot table. Note, in this case, the pivot table will be inserted into a new worksheet. Currently, no information is being displayed by the pivot table. Use the Fields Selection button to choose which panels are visible in the pivot table pane. Watch how I use the Fields Selection button to change which fields and areas are available. The top option under the Field Selection button is the default setting. To add information to the pivot table, check the appropriate fields. Observe. To change the order of row labels, left-click, hold and then drag the fields. Note that the order of the row labels will affect the appearance of the information. As I check the fields, the information from the source is inserted into the pivot table. In this case, the pivot table clearly displays the products and their categories. More importantly, the pivot table will automatically generate the totals for each category. Pivot tables are an excellent and easy way of summarizing data. To unmerge a merged cell, first highlight it with the cursor. Then click the small arrow to the right of the Merge and Center tool and select Unmerge Cells. Selecting this option will return the single merged cell to the original cells. Clip art can be used to enhance a working document. The Clip Art tool is found under the Insert tab on the Illustrations toolbar. Clicking the Clip Art tool will open the Clip Art task pane. Use the task pane to select which media types to search for. Use the Search For text box and the Go button to search for clip art images. To add an image, either double-click on it or left-click, then hold and drag into the worksheet. To move an image, left-click on it, then hold and drag to a new position. When an image is selected, the picture tools can be used to manipulate the image's appearance. The Size toolbar under Picture Tools can also be used to resize the image. To insert an image saved on the computer, select the Insert tab and then the Picture tool. Use the Open dialog box to locate the image. Then select the image and click Insert. Selected images can also be resized using the points on the outside of the image. Observe.